Opening arguments began last week in the triple murder trial of Lori Vallow Daybell.
We're glad it's finally here. I'm impressed with the prosecution. They seem they've got it together. Maybe it's a very difficult, complicated case.
The prosecution claimed Vallow was motivated by money, power, and sex, and would remove any obstacle in her way to get what she wanted. And that was doomsday author Chad Daybell.
The defendant, Lori Vallow Daybell, used money, power, and sex, or the promise of those things, to get what she wanted. What she wanted was money, power, and sex.
The defense says Vallow has alibis on the dates of the murders of her two children, JJ and Tylee. A detective took the stand and described how law enforcement discovered their bodies on Daybell's property near Rexburg, Idaho in 2020.
Burnt flesh, bone, all kind of what appeared to be put in a green bucket. The bucket had melted.
Vallow's ex-best friend Melanie Gibb took the stand and talked about Vallow's relationship with Daybell, accusing her of having an affair. Vallow was married to former Austin resident Charles Vallow. One of Vallow's sons is at the trial with his ex-wife.
I haven't seen her in years. I have probably spent more time with her in that courtroom than I ever have in my life. I don't like her demeanor. I don't like the smiling, the laughing, the chit-chatting. This is very serious, and she's not taking it seriously, doesn't appear to me.
Vallow is charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy in the deaths of her two kids. She's also accused of conspiring in the murder of Tammy Daybell, Chad's first wife, and plotting with her brother in the deadly shooting of her ex-husband, Charles Vallow.
I feel he was discriminated against because he was male, healthy, in good shape, obviously, bigger than Lori, and they just thought it just wasn't serious. She's going to kill you. Oh, come on. That really, really troubled me because I could tell he was truly scared.
On the stand, Vallow's ex-best friend also described how Vallow believed Charles and her children had become possessed by zombies. All three would end up dead. Vallow's defense described Lori as a good mom and wife who is deeply religious.
She believes in life after death, and she believes she will see her deceased family, including her children, again.
The trial is expected to take up to 10 weeks. Vallow Daybell has pled not guilty. If convicted, she faces up to life in prison.